Make sure the area is thoroughly cleaned and devoid of any debris. Take out the bottom bin located at the front. Unlock the bin tab on both sides of the rack. Gently lift upwards to detach the door from the side fastener. Take out the upper bin from the sliding rack. Now you will have enough space for any maintenance or adjustments needed. Reinsert the upper bin into the top rack. Ensure that the freezer door is properly aligned. Attach the freezer door arms to sliding rack using fastener tabs. Carefully return the top drawer to the rack.